Zip clip replacement conveyor belts are connected by inserting a high tensile, stainless, chromium nickel armoured pin into the factory fitted mechanical fasteners. These pins join the two ends of the zip clip belt, making it endless. There are two options available, a screw-in pin and a push-in pin. The most popular of the two options is the push-in pin due to its ease of install. As the name suggests, the armoured pin is simply pushed through to make the connection, and once inserted, the two retaining collars are fastened with the supplied Allen key to either end of the pin. This belt and braces additional safety measure ensures that the pin cannot migrate out during operation. With the screw-in pin option, one end of the armoured pin is threaded, so a pin insertion tool is required to make the connection. Screw-in zip clip belts are recommended for minimising the sifting of fines, as a screw-in splice is sealed with polyurethane. In both options, the armoured pin is conveniently supplied to suit the belt width. Our team of engineers is here to advise you on the most suitable zip clip option based on our years of experience and application expertise.